myself Kirat Fatima, and today I am going to discuss about one of the famous, legendary literary figure, Ibn Safi. Ibn Safi was born as a Asrar Ahmad on July 26, 1928, in Nara, in a small village in the district of Allahabad, British India. He is the one of the most celebrated authors in Urdu literature. He is the best known for his immensely popular detective novels and series, Jasusi Dunia and Imran series, which have left an indelible mark on the genre of detective fictions in South Asia. If we talk about his early life and background, Ibn Safi's love for literature at an early age, he pursued his education in Allahabad. From his school days, psycho-political environment of British India, along with his keen observation of human nature, heavily influenced his writing style and theme. His career, he started his career with the poetry and satire, with soon found his true calling in detective fictions. His first novel was Dil-e Mujrim, published in 1952, marked the beginning of his journey in the realism of detective literature and the creation of his iconic series Jasusi Dunia and Imran series generated him immensely popularity. Jasusi Dunia, the series revolves around the adventure of Colonel Faridi and Captain Hamid, two sharp-witted detectives. The story are a perfect blend of suspense, action, and humor, showcasing Ibn Safi masterful storytelling. And about Imran series centered around the charismatic and the character of Ali Imran, who a fool to outwit his enemy. This is a series for known his its intriguing plots and witty dialogues. The character of Imran series become cult figure and loved by the reader by his unconventional method and sharp intellect. About his style and influence, Ibn Safi writing style is characterized by the simplicity, humor, and keen psychological insight. He had a unique ability to create a wide, multi-dimensional characters and weave complex, engaging plots. Not weave complex, engaging plots that keep reading hooked. So his work was not only to entertain but reflect the socio-political dynamics of his time, offering subtle commentaries of human natures and societal issues. His influence extend beyond the realism of detective fictions. Many contemporary writers or filmmakers acknowledge his impact on their work, and his novels have been adapted into various media, including the television series and films. About his legacy, Ibn Sabi passed away on 26 1980, but his legacy endures and his books continue to be printed, read and loved by the new generations. Remains pivotal figures in Urdu literature and celebrated for his contribution to the genre of detective fictions and his ability to capture the imagination of millions. In the conclusion, in the world of the literature, Ibn Shafi was a standout, a literary genius, and who brought the art of detective fiction to the life in Urdu literature. His timeless stories, unforgettable characters, and unique narrative styles, and ensured that they will be remembered and cherished for the generation to come.